Item number SCP-5161. Index: She remembers. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-5161 is to be contained in a standard humanoid containment cell at Site-46. SCP-5161 is to be interviewed at least twice per week by personnel with Level 4 clearance and subject to weekly mental and physical health evaluations. Any personnel who have received classified information regarding the Foundation and/or anomalous entities in its possession from SCP-5161 are to report to Medical Terminal 1 for immediate amnestic administration. Following Incident 5161-1, all testing on SCP-5161 has been suspended indefinitely. Description: SCP-5161, formerly D-15670, is a human female of African American descent, currently 101 years old. SCP-5161 possesses the global collection of memories altered or erased via amnestic treatment, dating as far back as 1955. Following amnestic administration, the patient's expunged memories will manifest within SCP-5161's psyche, usually between 15 minutes and 6 hours, depending on the grade of amnestic used. SCP-5161 has, so far, proven immune to all levels of amnestic treatment. The most adverse effect amnestics have on SCP-5161 is a mild case of temporary disorientation. Note: See Foundation Amnestic Classification Guide (FACG) for details. SCP-5161 suffers with constant migraines as a result of its condition, and has increasingly shown symptoms of both depression and dissociative identity disorder (DID). SCP-5161 has been largely uncooperative and, at times, hostile towards Foundation staff members, and has, on several occasions, intentionally spread highly sensitive information relating to extranormal phenomena and Foundation activities to low-ranking staff members. Following multiple unsuccessful attempts, SCP-5161 remains on suicide watch. See Addendum 2 for details. History: SCP-5161 was one of several D-Class personnel recruited by the Foundation in 1954 in order to provide living test subjects for Project MNEEM, an initiative which sought to develop a reliable and cost-effective method of eliminating potentially hazardous memories in response to the rapidly growing rate of anomalous activity post-1945. Prior to the 20th century, the Foundation and other preternatural organizations used non-anomalous methods in order to maintain secrecy in accordance with the Veil Protocol. In 1955, a team led by head researcher Dr. Isadora Greenblatt synthesized the precursor to modern amnestics based on research derived from multiple memory-affecting anomalies, including SCP-1408 and SCP. Note: Methods include hypnosis, opiate administration, bribery, intimidation, and, in rare cases, termination. Following multiple successful animal trials, Greenblatt's amnestics were tested on a group of D-Class personnel, the first of whom was SCP-5161. SCP-5161's recollection of the past 12 hours was successfully erased, although 3 days into testing, the subject's memories returned, and 1 week later, it also obtained those which were expunged from all other human test subjects. As all previous attempts by Project MNEEM to develop reliable amnestics had been unsuccessful, the O5 Council voted 4-3 to begin mass production of Greenblatt's amnestics. Samples of Greenblatt's amnestics were subsequently told to several co-signatories of the Veil Protocol, and SCP-5161 was placed in containment for further study. Note: Prior to 1991, the Overseers Council consisted of 7 members. Incident 5161-1. On 1964, SCP-5161 unsuccessfully attempted suicide and was discovered unconscious in its cell by senior researcher Herman. SCP-5161 was immediately taken to Site-46's medical wing and placed in an induced coma, which lasted for some 52 hours. For the duration of SCP-5161's coma, all amnestics ceased to function worldwide, and all memories which were removed by amnestic administration over the past 9 years returned to their original owners, resulting in multiple communities being cordoned off, and hundreds of civilians being taken into Foundation custody until the crisis had been resolved. The event resulted in a major diplomatic incident between the Foundation and the Global Occult Coalition, and the Foundation was forced to disclose certain details regarding SCP-5161's anomalous properties. All testing on SCP-5161 was immediately suspended, and the Overseer Council gave clearance for SCP-5161's life to be artificially extended by anomalous means. It is believed that with current methods available to the Foundation, SCP-5161 could potentially reach a maximum age of years. Research into potentially amnestic alternatives are ongoing.